All right, one more. X squared minus 4x plus 3, you're dividing it by x minus 1. Back in the olden days, we would have been taught to do this. The x minus 1 is outside the box, and the x squared minus 4x plus 3 is inside the box. I suppose in algebra 2 you have to do that, but we won't be using that here. You're probably familiar with this. So this and this are the same thing. If I give you this problem, I want you to rewrite it so it looks like that. That's something that you can deal with. All right, let's get going on this math part. Let me get rid of this because that's gone, and move this up here. All right, what I'm going to do is factor the x squared minus 4x plus 3, and in the end I'll divide by x minus 1 once I get my two factors. So I cannot factor this. That's a mess. I don't know what I'm doing. I cannot find a greatest common factor for this one. This is an x, this is a 2, 2 and an x, and this is a 3. There's no greatest common factor, so I have to factor the other way. So I'll multiply my first and my third term. Step 1, 1 times 3 is 3. Step 2, list all my factors of 3. Well, there's only 2. 2 factors, 1 and 3. Step number 3, what factors, or how will that add up to negative 4? Well, 1 plus 3 will give me positive 4, but negative 1 plus negative 3 will give me negative 4. So that's good. Then I have to figure out, will it also multiply to positive 3? Negative 1 times negative 3 is indeed positive 3. So those are the two numbers I want, negative 1 and negative 3. Step 4, make my fraction. The value of a over the first answer in number 3, and the value of a and the second answer in number 3. My value of a is 1. Put that in right there, right here. My first answer for number 3 is negative 1. My second answer for negative 1 for number 3 is negative 3. Both of these are on lowest terms, so I don't have to break them down. And step number 5 is writing them as parentheses, writing them in parentheses. So it's 1x minus 1 and 1x minus 3. All right, the last step, I'm just going to go ahead and add this in, is I'll call this sixth step, which we sort of did in the other ones. I move everything over. I should probably keep it the same way. Let me move everything over. I keep it consistent. Well, that time it worked. Huh. I don't know what's wrong with that thing. All right, hope I didn't lose you. The last step, when we were told to divide this and this, we factored the first term and got 1x minus 1 and 1x minus 3. Now the second part is we're going to divide this whole thing by x minus 1. And we're looking for like terms. These are both like terms. So my answer is 1x minus 3, or just x minus 3.